In this session, we will be learning some advanced keying with set extension. So many a times you must have noticed in some movies or commercials where there are characters which are speaking inside the house and there are some windows which are visible and they show a nice landscape or they show the entire city as if they are on that exact building and they are talking from their balcony or something like that. But in real scenario, it's nothing like that. It's actually a set which is designed, and then after the windows a green cloth or a green screen is being actually placed, and then inside our compositing software then it's composited with a background being replaced to it. So today we have that footage over here, and it's again a PNG sequence where I would like to import this 1280 with 1 aspect ratio. If I zoom this up, this is what I'm having. There is movement as well of some camera over here, and if you can see, this is the window over here. This is the Christmas tree kind of thing. These are the candles over here, and there beneath that there is the green cloth over here. So if you can see this is the actual footage what we have got. So now what we'll be doing is we will be first tracking the motion. We'll first track the motion of this footage because we will have to actually place a background over here, so that background should also be looking natural and it shouldn't be looking that it's just pasted, as there is a camera movement. On the footage which I had shown you earlier, where I had performed keying and I tried to preserve the shadow, there was no movement of the camera of the character where the chroma was shot. The camera was static. Hence, we did not track that footage, or we did not track that chroma because the camera was static. As in this shot, there is keying, the work of keying will also be done, the work of tracking will also be done, and then the final compositing will be done with the background. So in order to place the background, we need to track this shot. We need to actually get the data or extract the motion of this shot. So what I'll be doing here is I will be creating a new comp named as maybe main underscore comp. I'll hit OK, 1920 1080 with 30 FPS, no issues. One more comp I'll take of the same dimension and same FPS with named as footage. And inside my footage I will be actually placing this, and holding down my S I will check off this and I will actually change the width to its 1920 1080 full HD. If not 1920 1080, what I can actually do is I can actually also have for 1280 720, because my system is actually taking too long to render this. So just Control N, I'll go to 1280 and 720, rename this comp as main underscore comp, 1280 720 with 30 FPS, no issues. One more comp known as footage with 1280 720, and this footage comes right up here. Stretching this up on 16:9 as it is 1:1.0 aspect ratio. This is what we are having in 1280 720. So we have just changed the aspect ratio of our comp, and now we will be proceeding towards tracking on this. But I have not done any kind of changes in my main comp. I've done only imported this footage in my footage comp. Just drag this up right here, and I'll say right click trim comp to work area, so that my comp is only restricted to the number of frames of this footage. So we have just imported this and changed the aspect ratio of this footage by stretching this up in scale, and in my next session we'll be performing towards tracking.